I realized that I should not just finish this here. I realized that I should. I went and used a really nice knife sharpening system, and what I did with it had nothing to do with getting something sharp. It was more like an aesthetic exercise, and I just feel a little bad. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to swap out the long blade holders. These there. Then I will swap them for these, which are the this is the chisel holder, and I'm going to bring my 2-inch chisels into perfection. Really nice tolerances. TSPROF. Hey, also, by the way, the TSPROF people sent this one to me. I didn't ask for it. I was literally thinking about buying one. I was corresponding with a couple of friends that we were calling it the crazy freaking Russian sharpening system. But so let me just see here what we got. Just a close-up here showing you that this edge has been beaten up a bit. And we're going to clean it up. Yeah. We're going to start again with the 150 because we're going to take off some meat. We're going to be using a diamond plate. I've covered this in Sharpie so I can see where my scratches start. And I can adjust. Although I'm actually damn good there. That is perfect. So right now, I'm at 10.5 degrees in its current orientation. Let's just double check to make sure I'm in the right zone. Yep. Immediately takes all the marker off. Okay, I have changed plan. I have been using this device for holding chisels, and I'm exceeding its utility with this chisel, which is... So I was doing a workaround there, which wasn't a great workaround because the chisel was sitting up here on its little neck flange, and it wasn't super flat. And I was, look, I was getting fine results, fine. But the TSPROF people sent me an amazing machine, and I love using it. I've sharpened all my kitchen knives with it. It has gotten a lot of use in this cave and in my house. And my 2-inch chisels, of which I possess 2, are something I frequently go back to make sharp. And in order to do that with this thing, I am going to actually make an attachment that goes over this, screws to it, and allows you to clamp down really, really tight on this guy. That's the goal. It's a little couple of hours right now, but that should that should make this thing way more useful to me. I know I could probably buy one of these right now, but that's a fun project today, so that's the one I'm gonna do. It's about the same. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're going to take this. Maybe not this one. Oh yeah, we are. We're going to take this chunk of aluminum that I don't even know what I was using it for, and we're going to make a little capture piece that screws to this and clamps to this. That's it. There you are. Yeah. That's going to be great. I don't even have to make it connect to this. I'm just going to... Yes. All right, let's mark this up. Great. All right. I'm going to cut this hole out and cut that there. Lovely. I'm really pleased with how this is going. I've got a really nice, I'd call it a crisp little part. I tapped these out at 1024, but I noticed that actually the thumb screws, excuse me, the thumb screws that the TSPROF ships with are M5s, M.5s. So I've got some 0.5 helicoils, so I'm going to drill these out, pop in some 0.5 helicoils, and then I'll be able to reuse the very thumb screws that were for the other thing. Yeah. So, right there, that there, and that goes there, and there. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the 1024 here. I'm tightening thumb screws, so I don't need like a crazy amount of accuracy on this. I just needed to get really relatively close. So. Great. So now we got to knock those three out, which is just doing this. 1, 2, 3. All right. So here's how this all will work. Oh, yeah. Oh, I've got to include some bridging chunks, as it were. Oh, yeah, you see what I've done wrong, and so have I. But we still have a trick up our sleeve. Great, that's pretty close. So we've got the 1000 diamond, we've got the 150. I'm gonna go even lower because I wasn't doing any business there. 200, this feels like it's now I get a much longer throw. Yeah, that's better than my other arrangement by far. Oh, got a little burr there. All right. Yeah. Oh, that is so sharp. Very happy. Woohoo. I'm very happy with my TSPROF 2-inch chisel holder. My Savage Original that uses the thumb screws. That worked out great. And yeah, man. If in my journey I meet God, then God will be cut. Ooh, hey, don't fall. Seems like all my builds lately are mission creep builds, where it's like I start out like I'm going to sharpen my sword, and then I'm like talking about the TSPROF system, and then I'm realizing that I didn't want to just show you the fake sharpening. I wanted to do some real sharpening. That is some real sharpening. That's click spring sharp. That's Twidford sharp. Yeah. I'm going to do some other chisels, but you don't have to watch. And thanks for joining me. I will see you folks next time. Yeah, that's it.